This vibrato, it's nervous, and you're not alone. That sound, it's not talent, it's physics. If your vibrato feels thin or frantic, you're not playing it, you're just shaking the string. And that's why it sounds nervous. But there's a mechanical fix, and it's not about your finger, it's about feeling the return. From my perspective, look at this. When I pull the string away, I'm not forcing it back. I'm just releasing the pressure and letting the string's own tension snap back to the fret's pitch. That's the cycle. Tension, release, return. No fighting, just trusting the string. Don't fight the guitar. Feel the resistance. Like a rubber band, when you let go, the return is what creates the pulse, not the pull. If you're fighting the return, the vibrato sounds like panic. But if you feel it, it becomes music. Now try this. Hit a note, close your eyes, wait until you feel the metal of the fret through the string. Then, only then, start the vibrato. Because if you can't feel it, you can't control it. We've helped over 1,500 guitarists fix their technique, and this one's the most universal. The key isn't how you move, it's what you feel. Fix the return, fix the pivot, now go practice. And if you want more 2-minute fixes like this one, hit subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know.